Hey, we're back. I'm gonna do a bit of, I guess, an unboxing on what I find to be a very unique ratchet. Now, okay, this is the Craftsman brand. The parent company, the current parent company for the Craftsman brand is Stanley Black & Decker. Stanley Black & Decker had, as a part of their Stanley line, this ratchet, and I should have bought it back then. I'm actually disappointed that I didn't, but I'm kind of glad that they brought this ratchet out in the Craftsman brand. And what it really does is, what's so unique about this is, maybe you can read on the rotating ratchet. Literally, you turn the handle like a screwdriver, and it rotates the head. And it's like that cobalt screwdriver where you hold the collar and you... Same principle. It keeps going no matter what direction you go. Now, you change direction, just like you normally would. The thing is with these is they are a fairly large head, thick head ratchet because of all the mechanism. Other than that, I really don't see the problems with running a ratchet like this, and in some cases, maybe the downfall of this head can be taken up by the actual abilities of the turning knob, the turning of the handle. The big thing is, yes, there have been similar designs out there, such as this, where you turn it, and yeah, it earns the head, but you're locked. You can't turn it back. Where this design, it moves in either direction. Whether or not you're going clockwise or counterclockwise. And that's kind of where this has a different mechanism in it than this. Okay. Where, see, this, you cannot go back. That's the problem with this mechanism. That, and the head is significantly bigger. I mean, significantly. I mean, look at it. The packaging that they put on this doesn't even get you out to the square drive. So, another downfall. But you're just gonna have to bear with me on the nose, folks. Canadian wildfires are just, ugh. But realistically, compare it to like this Mac ratchet. Sure, it's bigger, but not as much as compared to the other design. So I think that's where this one is going to make up a lot of the differences that the other one does not do. Now, we're going to pull this apart, and this is a quick release ratchet. So, and I hope that they never quit making these, because realistically, these are a great tool in my mind. I've wanted one for years. It's just I never pulled the trigger on it, and I'm kind of sad that I never did until now. So, kind of show you how that mechanism works. So, and sure, it's bigger around, but you know, you've got a lot of mechanism in there that you got to take out. Now, let's try some extensions on it first. The Met wrench, the Met inch. Yeah. The detents on this are very small, so classic proto. Oh, that grabs. Okay, so realistically, okay, I can already see that the detent side of things is fair. Okay, it's not amazing, you know, it's not gonna grab everything, but if you got a decent extension set, well, you know what, let's pull out that let's pull out a extension from the extensions that we just did an unboxing of. Yeah, that ain't coming out. So realistically, if you've got an extension with good detent slots in it, you're gold. Let me grab an 18 socket here. Yeah. And yeah, it does work just like a standard ratchet. So I like this. Now I'm trying to think. The Stanley version of this I thought was longer from stem to stern. Am I going to complain? No. Because if I remember, the Stanley version of this also had a bigger handle, which, yes, it provides you more leverage. Yes, you know, you get that better grip, but in certain locations where you're going to want to use this, I get it, you're going to want the smaller handle. I just wish that they would bring back the Stanley version as well as keep the Craftsman version around and really see which one people actually do like more. That's just my opinion. And this one is a made in Taiwan Craftsman. This is not the Chinese, this is the Taiwan version. This is the newer Taiwan stuff. I will tell you this much, folks. In the tools I've been seeing, you know, coming out of the Far East, the Taiwanese tools are a lot better than the Chinese tools. Just saying. And personally, when I look for tools, if I can't find American made, I try and find Taiwan made tools, because in my experience, I've found that the Taiwanese tools are starting to be just as good, if not better, than the American tools. You know, God bless the red, white, and blue, but, you know, hey. So, no, we're not going to tear it apart, but I just kind of wanted to bring this ratchet to your attention. And the part number on this is CMMT86000. I'll put the part number in the description of the video so you can actually go buy this ratchet. And ironically, this was the last one that they had on the shelf at the store at Lowe's, because I had time to kill, folks, and when I have time to kill, I usually go tool shopping. So thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and yeah, especially comment. If you own one of these, tell us how it works for you. So we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.